Yo, what is up YouTube? So today we are going to try to get out, go to a couple places up near Cleveland. I've never actually been there before, so I'm not 100% sure what to expect, but we're going to give it a shot. I'm running on a couple hours of sleep right now, so that's an added little benefit. But yeah, should be fun, so let's go check it out. Alright, what is up? So, we finally made it to the place. I'm not 100% sure where the waterfall I'm looking for is, but we're gonna hike down around here. I do hear some running water, so that's always a good sign. But yeah, so we're just gonna hike around and see if we can come across anything cool. Well, that seems like a good sign at least. Probably a good place to be. Alright, so good news. I found the waterfall I was looking for. However, I don't think that classifies as a hike to get here. It was super close. Like, that, I could still see my car, I think. So, I mean, at least it wasn't hard to get to, I suppose, but it's pretty cool little waterfall, so going to mess around here and see if I can get some good shots. Alright, so that actually turned out pretty well. The waterfall wasn't flowing that much, but still think I got some pretty decent pictures. Luckily the hike wasn't too bad because it's pretty freaking hot out right now. And other than the heat and twisted my ankle a little bit. I think I got some pretty good pictures. So overall, it was a success, I think. We'll have to wait till we get back home and get the pictures in the computer to find out if we got anything that we for sure like. But I think there's a couple more spots I'm going to head to. Probably a couple more waterfalls. I still got some daylight left, so I'm going to probably go check those out. So let's go. Alright, so I guess this next waterfall is not going to work out due to this whole situation here. So that's less than ideal, to say the least. Looks like a pretty cool waterfall. Maybe eventually they'll open it up to the public or something. Who knows, but oh well, on to the next place. So that place was pretty cool. There was a bunch of people there, so it was kind of tough to actually get a picture. It was a nice fall though. I think I'm going to try to come back here like on a rainy day or just after it rained. I think it would be a really good waterfall for that. Plus it's a nice easy hike, so I'm gonna definitely come back to this one for sure. But yeah, I was pretty pleased. I think that's going to be it for today. I'm about to head back home and yeah, see you guys there. Alright, so that's going to be it for the video for today. I apologize that it's taken so long. Work has been pretty crazy lately. It's making it pretty difficult to actually make some time to work on the videos. Hopefully going forward from now though, I'll be able to stick to at a minimum my goal of once a month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like it, comment, share it, do all that stuff. It makes me feel good, helps me out tremendously, and I certainly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you.